Good morning, everybody. My name is Vishvadeep, and I welcome you all on Unacademy Computer Science channel for unlimited learning. As I promised you, I will bring all the answers and solutions of your problems, whatever the questions you have in your mind for your GATE preparation. And here I am with the very first chapter, very first session for that FAQ series. So today I am going to talk about what are the subjects you have in computer science GATE and what is their weightage in your exam. Plus, I will be giving you some reference books if you would like to go for those books chapter wise or subject wise or the topic wise. Of course, you can refer these books. These are like very famous and very popular books for your reference. So let's begin the session without any delay. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Vishvadeep Gothi and I am working as a channel leader on this channel. You can see my profile over here. Through this channel, we are providing lots of content to you. On this channel, in the playlist series section, you can get lots of playlists of your GATE computer science courses. If you would like to learn more in more interactive manner, you can access the Unacademy platform absolutely free. Hundreds of classes are available over there absolutely free. How you can access those classes? Go to unacademy.com or download Unacademy Learner app. Follow my profile over there in the GATE section so that you can access my special classes. Yes, in the special class section on my profile, you will be able to access my classes. Why special? Just because absolutely free. On the Unacademy's platform, apart from your special classes, we have lots of content. Those contents are like free test series, practice questions, quizzes, and multiple other things you can unlock. But if you are the first time learner, you need to use a code to unlock the free content of Unacademy. Code is VDEEP10. If you have decided that you are going for GATE preparation, then I will tell you one particular point which you will have to mind every single day, that you will have to utilize your day and utilize your potential to the maximum. If you are not able to do that because of certain reasons, then we can help you out in that particular domain. Like if you are not getting the solutions of your doubts, you are not getting the structured content, you are not getting the appropriate classes, you are not getting the proper questions to solve, you are not getting the weekly test or structured plan in which you can groom yourself in every single aspect, then we have the solution on Unacademy Plus subscription. This is our paid service, and this particular service will have the live classes which will have very interactive classes, plus daily practice problems, plus weekly test, doubt solving, crash courses, Hindi English batches, rank improvement batches, and multiple such things, including the educators support that you can have over here so that you can learn to the best. This Plus subscription is available for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, and 24 months. You can take the subscription using this code so that you can get 10% discount, plus my personal guidance, my mentorship, plus my team's support. There is another type of subscription we have for those members who need more personalized subscription or personalized preparation or customized preparation. So this iconic subscription has all the benefits of Unacademy Plus and having a personal coach benefit. Personal coach and expert provided to you from Unacademy side, who will provide you one-on-one guidance, preparation strategy, customized preparation plan, will track your performance. You will get doubt solving sessions, you will get personalized test analysis, study booster session, extra practice sets and notes also you can get in. Then join Unacademy Plus as soon as possible. चलो स्टार्ट करेंगे सेशन को. सो एज आई प्रॉमिस्ड यू ऑल that I am going to bring you one by one all those sessions which will help you having your preparation on the track, which will help you understanding that okay, my preparation is going well or not, how I should mold my preparation. Like today I am going to show very first slide is the subjects of computer science GATE and their weightage. What weightage can help you? Now see, if I'll tell you, you have 2 hours to earn the money or work on 2 projects. One project 2 hours, exactly same efforts, but it can pay you 10,000. Other project same 2 hours you will have to put the efforts on, but it can give you only 500 rupees. Tell me, one project number 1 you will do or project number 2 you will do? Of course project number 1, sir. Why? Just because it is giving us more benefits, more money. Why don't you think the same way in GATE exam preparation? You prepare those courses first which can give you more marks. How can we understand that, sir? See, you can understand easily. Check out the different types of what weightages of each and every course. Which particular course is having more weightage, you start with that, and which course which is having less weightage, you can go late. But if you say, okay sir, 2 courses are having same to same weightage, which course we should start first? You can go with that course which you feel easier, so that you can score more in that. Yes, tough courses you can, tough for you. Sometimes people are good or comfortable in mathematics like courses, but not in theoretical like courses or system courses. Vice versa is also true. So whichever course you find easy for you, you can take first, but you need to complete the topics and courses those first which are having more weightage, so that you can aim for more marks in GATE exam. That is your ultimate goal, right? Okay, so here it is the weightage of last 10 years I have taken as an aggregate, as an average. Mathematics 13. In this mathematics, actually discrete math is also included, plus aptitude 15 marks for sure. They have given in their circular also, the GATE conducting committee. Data structure programming 11 to 13, algorithm 4 to 6. Sometimes it exceeds more than 20 marks also. 20 से ज्यादा मार्क का भी आता है डेटा स्ट्रक्चर प्रोग्रामिंग एल्गोरिथम तीनों मिला के sometimes. Digital logic 4 to 6, COA 9 to 11, which is really vast. Theory of computation sometimes 7 to 9. Compiler design 3 to 5 marks, DBMS 4 to 7 marks, operating system 7 to 9 marks, CN 6 to 8 marks. These are the weightage of each and every course. Now people used to leave aptitude at all. Why? Just because sir, technical course is more important. Who said you that? किसने कहा टेक्निकल कोर्स ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है? लुक एट दिस, 15 मार्क्स, हाईएस्ट वेटेज इन ओनली सिंगल कोर्स विच इज एप्टीट्यूड. अगर आपने 15 मार्क्स लिया तो फिर आपको मैक्सिमम मार्क्स मिलेगा? बिल्कुल मिलेगा, डेफिनेटली मिलेगा. सो हाउ कैन यू लर्न? सी, यू नीड टू plan in such a way that you can get maximum marks. Understanding? You can get maximum marks. That is your ultimate goal. If you are getting 45 marks, but sir, I have completed all the syllabus, 45 marks now, and somebody did not even finish complete syllabus, but that fellow was able to score 70% or 70 marks in GATE exam. Now you see that what is your situation and that fellow's situation. Not good for you. Why? Just because of course you would like to have a better rank with better marks. So you need to have a planning of courses in such a way that you can finish up higher weightage courses first, and among those courses which are having almost equal marks, those courses can be completed at that particular level where you can find, okay sir, if these are the two courses like operating system and DBMS having almost same weightage, or like last 3 courses having same weightage almost, then we can go with that course which we find easier. Let's say DBMS is easy sir, OS is easy sir, CN is easy sir. Understanding? Okay, now the next thing, books subject wise. See, so many students ask me, sir, should we follow the books? Should we follow the books? You need to follow the books in certain criterias. I'm telling you where. First thing, suppose you learn from a video source. That particular video source has taught you lot of content in a good manner, but one topic you feel like still I am struggling in this topic, I want to have more knowledge in this specific topic only. Get the book, read it from there. Best option, right? Sometimes you feel like yes, I am comfortable in that, but when a question comes, I can't understand the question's typical language. ठीक है, तो वो जो टिपिकल लैंग्वेज है उसको समझने के लिए यू कैन रीड द बुक्स, जस्ट बिकॉज इन द बुक्स द लैंग्वेज रिटन इज वेरी बुकिश, वेरी काइंड ऑफ टेक्निकल थिंग्स, एंड ऑफ कोर्स द सेम प्रोफेसर, सेम कैलिबर प्रोफेसर्स विल मेक योर गेट पेपर. सो अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि टफ क्वेश्चन को पढ़ने में प्रॉब्लम आता है, तो आप क्या करेंगे, आप क्या करेंगे, सिंपल सी बात करेंगे, वो ये कि आप टफ टॉपिक्स को वहां से पढ़ लेंगे, बुक्स रीड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. टफ लैंग्वेज समझने में दिक्कत आती है, बुक्स रीड कर सकते हैं. बट देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल, दो टाइप के लोग होते हैं. whoever reads the book, first type of person who can read the book but will go beyond the gate level, means they will try to read just because they cannot control themselves. They used to say me, sir, we can't even control ourselves, that okay, here we will have to stop so that we can only restrict ourselves to the gate. When the urge of learning increasing, we used to read those topics also most of the time that those are not even relevant to gate. We go to that particular detail that is not even there in the gate. So you need to stop yourself, you need to control yourself. सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ पीपल, सर हम बुक पढ़ ही नहीं सकते, हमसे पढ़ते ही नहीं बनेगा, वी कांट इवन रीड द बुक्स. इफ यू कांट रीड द बुक्स, इट विल बी वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू गो फॉर मास्टर्स इन अ रियली गुड कॉलेज, जस्ट बिकॉज देयर यू विल हैव टू रीड समथिंग, मे बी बुक्स, मे बी रेफरेंस बुक्स, मे बी some kind of textbooks maybe, or maybe some kind of research papers or journals you will have to read and you will have to understand. If you don't have the habit of reading, it will be really killer for you in the masters. So you need to start reading the books somehow. Please, if needed, definitely read the books. First, data structure books. What I followed for my data structure books, Sham series, and one more book is there for your practice and different types of algorithmic problems, Narasimha Karumachi. Book is really good. Okay, you can just check the spelling sometimes. In the spelling there can be here and there small parts, but this first book is having theoretical part covered really very well. Some solved examples are also there. If you go with Sham's outline data structure with C, it will be good for you, just because for GATE exam you have data structure with C only. Narasimha Karumachi is available, and that particular book is available I guess with Java and C also. You can go with that C language. Why? Just because again I am telling you, for GATE you have only C, but this Narasimha Karumachi will help you in understanding your algorithmic implementation. Like there is a problem in the linked list, you will have to insert an element at the end. So this particular problem, its explanation and its solution in the algorithm will be given to you. So it will be good book for you to have a good practice on the different problems and their algorithms. Then we have Sahani and Corman for the algorithms. Corman, do you all know that this is like one of the biggest books for the algorithms. We have followed this particular book in IISc for our masters also, and lots of other research paper also we have followed. Sahani is good book which is been followed by most of the students in their college time for algorithms. So of course you can follow that particular thing also. Okay, now what exactly you need to follow? Like one topic somebody has taught you, let's say quicksort. You understood the quicksort, but still you find like, sir, I would like to explore quicksort little more, just because there are so many questions in GATE from that topic. Okay, now you need to come up with certain idea that yes, we will need to have a book reference for this topic. If you are going, read this particular quicksort from this Corman and get more idea, but please restrict yourself up to that particular level only. You can access some questions also, like exercise questions from the books, depends if you find these questions relevant for the GATE. Then for programming, Test Your Skills is a good book. Balaguru Swami is also a good book for programming. Then for COA, for computer organization architecture, though my playlist is available here and that particular playlist covers every single thing, but still you can find out these three books. Hamacher you can follow for pipeline chapter. Pipeline chapter is really good, and other topics also are good in this. Paul Chaudhary you can follow for the organization, IO and memory. JP Hayes you can follow for architecture part like CPU and instructions. But still, I would like to tell you that you don't have to go through these topics if you are understanding everything in my playlist. You don't have to go to any kind of book for COA at least. One thing for sure you can do is you can take some questions from MHR and you can solve. That's it. Other than that, nothing you'll have to do. Operating system के लिए Galvin is like everything is available in Galvin that you don't have to follow anywhere anything. But still, if you would like to have even a typical language or some different perspective of other topics, you can go for this William Stallings. William Stalling is also a really good book. There is another book of there for operating system, Tenenbaum. You can follow that too, but still I find that these books will make your everything comfortable. In Galvin, there are good questions at the end. At the end means at the end of each and every chapter, some questions are given as exercise question. If you follow those questions, you will be having better understanding of the computer science operating system. Yes, of course. But yes, you need to have that much of extra time for that. Then we have DBMS, database management system. Database management system, the best book is Korth, in which you will be having relational algebra perfectly explained. But one topic I would like to recommend, that if you really struggle in Korth just because it is not given in too much detail, that is indexing. Indexing you can learn from Navate. This indexing topic in the databases is good in Navate. Yes, it can be little bit difficult in the Navate to read just because it's too tough language, or sometimes it is too technical things which are sometimes indigestible immediately. But yes, keep patience, read the books, you will understand a really great meaning of indexing. CJ Dates is again a good book, but it's too mathematical. If you have a research oriented study reference, if you want to have, you can go for CJ Dates. Then you have Computer Network. For Computer Network, these three books are like more than enough. Forozan is having almost everything, but for Forozan you will have to take two books reference. One is for data communication separate, and one is for TCP IP protocol suite, just because in single book you will not get both. But yes, Forozan has actually given every single topic in a very simplest possible manner that you will never ever refer any other book at all. But still, if you would like to go for, then you can go for Tenenbaum. These two books, I guess, will make your computer network things completed. Theoretical wise, awesome. Content wise, awesome. And the best particular specialty of Forozan books is they are very simple in the language. Easiest possible. जितना आसान आपको चाहिए उतना आसान आपको यहाँ पे language मिलेगा. So it will be like wow to learn from these two books. Then you have TOC, Theory of Computation, what I followed in my GATE exam, KLP Mishra and Chandrasekharan and Peter Lynch. There are multiple other books also, Ullmann also. But what I will recommend, of course, you will have lots of questions to solve in your TOC. You can solve all the solved and unsolved questions of Peter Lynch. I did it, and after solving all those solved and unsolved questions of TOC from Peter Lynch, I never felt any kind of trouble in any kind of question in GATE exam in TOC. So of course Peter Lynch you can follow for more I should say one-liner theorems statement. You can copy as it is in your book if you don't have good collection of the notes. Plus Peter Lynch you can follow for the questions. A good type of question will always help you from that Peter Lynch. बहुत अच्छी बुक है, बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है और बहुत क्लीन बुक है, बहुत क्लीन बुक है. I have followed for my preparation also. You can follow for your preparation also. Then you have compiler design, single book. I am not recommending multiple ones. Aho Ullmann is the best one for compiler design. But still I will say that you don't have to have the books if you have really good content of compiler design or any other course with you. You don't have to refer the books. I told you, I'm repeating again, only two people will have to consider the book reading. The first person, if you are not getting one topic or a small portion of the topic very clearly from the video notes or some notes or some kind of source, then you can read the book for that chapter or that topic. Secondly, if you find like, no, I am struggling with learning or struggling with reading the statements which are typically written in a bookish type language, then yes, I will have to read the books to understand the same thing. So read the books for those topics which you already know. So what you will do, read the book and try to map whatever is written to your knowledge, and you will have a clarity. Okay, whatever I know can be written in such way also. जो मुझे पता है उसको ऐसे भी लिखा जा सकता है, and that will make your dimension of thinking open. Then we have discrete math. For discrete math, this particular book is really good. Lots of questions are there in Sham's outline discrete math book. Lots of questions to solve. Yes, solved question also plus unsolved questions also in the exercise. Lots of questions. But if you find like you want more questions specifically on graph theory and group theory and set theory, CLU is good book for the set theory. And graph theory, Narsingh Dev is really good book. Really good book. From Narsingh Dev, you will have lots of one-liner statements which can be asked in the GATE exam directly. Like theorems जो होती हैं वो आपकी ग्राफ थ्योरी में बहुत सारी थ्योरम्स हैं जो आपको याद रखनी है. बहुत सारी है. Okay, fine. So these kind of books you can follow from here. Digital logic के लिए Morris Mano I have referred, but yes, after going further in the IT industry and after coming back to the education industry, when I have talked to the educators who are following the good books, they recommended that RP Jain you can follow, sir, for the digital logic. It's really good. तो आप चाहें तो आरपी जैन, मॉरिस मैनो फॉलो कर सकते हैं डिजिटल लॉजिक के लिए. बट स्टिल मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि डिजिटल लॉजिक ऐसा एक टॉपिक है जो आप थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस अगर करेंगे और कुछ ठीक ठाक नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व कर लेंगे तो आपको किसी बुक की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. चलिए, तो बिफोर आई विल रैप अप द सेशन, कुछ चीजें हैं जो स्टूडेंट्स के क्वेश्चन अभी आए हैं कि हम 4th सेमेस्टर में हैं, 6th सेमेस्टर में हैं, क्या हमें बुक रेफर करनी चाहिए. सी बुक सिर्फ दो लोगों को रेफर करनी है. वन, you are following the video sources, which is the quicker way to learn, just because in the video sources we educators try to give you the content of multiple books and multiple sources on the single channel on a single platform. So that will help you gaining more knowledge, more understanding of each and every topic in more better way. But still, if you feel like, no sir, we want to read the book for a specific topic, you can. Second, those people who are struggling in understanding the language of the questions which have been written in the GATE exam. जो गेट एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आते हैं उनकी लैंग्वेज अगर नहीं समझ में आती है, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज या टिपिकल लैंग्वेज जो होती है, तो फिर आप बुक पढ़िए, अदरवाइज आपको जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपको और क्वेश्चन चाहिए एंड यू हैव द बुक्स, यू कैन रेफर दोज बुक्स फ्रॉम योर कॉलेज लाइब्रेरी एटसेट्रा एंड चेक आउट कि हाँ इसमें अच्छे क्वेश्चन हैं, वी कैन सॉल्व दोज, गो अहेड विद दोज, अदरवाइज लीव इट. And there are so many other questions you guys are having in your mind, sir. Notes कैसे बनाएं, short note की जरूरत होगी क्या, how to revise, etc. What are the topics to follow in each and every subjects? Every single thing I am going to talk about in this series. You will have to just listen this series completely, क्योंकि एक वीडियो में मैं सारी बातें नहीं बता पाऊंगा. What you need to do with me is you need to actually follow this entire series so that you can get each and every tip, revision tip, how to make the note tip, which are the important topics tip, and whatever the tip you want from my end, I will provide you, but you just keep following this series. Today I am done with the topics and the courses books. Tomorrow I am going to talk about what are the important topics in each and every subject. So if you feel like, okay, I am starting this course, learn those topics in more detail, solve more questions of those topics which are important. right? So what happens, the probability of scoring more marks will be better for you in GATE exam. And how to get more marks in GATE exam, I'll tell you. It's an intelligent thing. It's a particular analysis which I did by myself. I will share it with you tomorrow in same 9 a.m. class. So classes will be hardly half an hour to 45 minutes daily to daily. But what you can do is you can get through lots of things on this particular channel and in this particular series. This series is totally for all of you who want to follow a good content, a good book, a good particular practice for GATE preparation. All those people जिनको भी अच्छी प्रैक्टिस या अच्छी सही राह की जरूरत है, I am here to tell you. This particular PDF, yes, I will get you the PDF on this particular channel immediately after the class. मैं यहाँ drop कर दूंगा. Telegram channel है, join कर लीजिए. Trying to provide you lot of great content and good content in terms of videos, playlist and the strategy sessions. So what is your moral responsibility is to support us by liking the sessions, sharing these sessions with all of your friends, subscribe the channel, turn on the notification and keep learning. I will always recommend you to keep learning happily so that you can enjoy the learning, plus you can enjoy your life of learning. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next session. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye everybody.